Students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine, fit and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. I'm your class KG teacher. Today I'm going to teach the science subject. This is your science book, Science Introductory Text and Activity book. So please take out your book and open it and take out the page number 5. Okay. Today I'm going to teach you the human body. It's your unit number 2, the human body. Here's right, the human body. The name of the unit 2 is human body. First of all, I will describe the human body. As you know that we are a human beings, okay? We are a human beings and the human beings have many parts of the body, as you can see on this book page. Okay, today we will read the parts of the body. As you can see on this book page, here's a picture of a boy and also labeled this picture, okay? Now, human body has many parts of the body, as you know, but here we will discuss some parts of the body which are labeled on the picture. Okay, students? Now we will start from the hair. The first label is hair. Okay, the hair is an important part of the body that many people know very little about it. Whether hair growing out of your head, okay, this is your head. Head is the upper part of your body, of your human body, okay, typically separated from the rest of the body by the neck, okay, by the neck, and containing the brain, mouth and sense organs, okay, as you can see on this page. Good. The next label is face. Face, as you know, what is face? You can stand in front of mirror and you can see your face. Your face has 4 senses, that is eyes, ears, mouth, okay, eyes, etc. Okay, eye is used for sight, nose is used for smell, and tongue is used for taste, and ears are used for hearing the music, hearing the voice. So this is your face, which has many senses and many parts of the body, of the parts. Okay. Neck. The next label is neck. This is the spelling of neck, okay? Neck. As you can see, touch your neck. Neck. What is neck, students? Neck is the part of the body connecting the head to the rest of the body, Touch your neck, students. Very good. This is your neck. The girls wear the necklace on the neck, okay? The next label is chest. This is a chest. What is chest? The front surface of your body between neck and stomach. Okay, this is your chest. Okay, the next label is stomach. What is stomach? I know almost students don't know what is stomach. The stomach is muscular organ. I know you are thinking about the stomach or you are confused that what is stomach. Okay, it is an internal organ which you cannot see. Stomach is a muscular organ, main organ. It's located on the left side of the upper abdomen, this upper abdomen area, okay? What is the function of stomach? The function of stomach is to digest food. When you eat meal or something, when you eat some meals, eat some food, your food goes to the stomach for digestion. Okay. The next label is hands. It is very simple. This is hand. Okay. This is hands. Okay. You can carry the things. For example, I can carry the pencil. I can carry the book. Okay. You can write with your hand. You can do a lot of work with your hands. Okay. Fingers. Each hand has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each hand has 5 fingers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You eat meal with your fingers. You can write with your fingers. You can do a lot of work with your fingers. Okay? With your hands, with your fingers. Okay, students? Okay, the next heading is the next level is foot. Foot is lower extremity of the leg below the ankle. This is the ankle, okay? The ankle on which a person stand, walk or run. You can jump with foot. You can walk with foot. You can dance with foot. You can run with foot. Understand? Is it clear? Good. Okay. This is a picture of leg. This is a picture of leg as you can see on this page. Okay. Leg is used to support the body. Support the whole body. Okay. The human leg is the entire lower limb of the human body. Okay. Which is including the foot, thigh, and even the hip. Okay. Now the last labeled body part is toes. Almost students don't know what are toes. 5 fingers of the human foot. 5 fingers of the human foot is called toes. Okay. Touch your toes. The lower end tip or point of your foot is called toes. Example, you can push anything. You can kick with toe. Okay, students, now we will read the parts of the face. Okay, here's a picture of face with labeling. Okay, look here. Here's a picture of face with labeling. Read with me. Forehead, eye, ear, cheek, hair, nose, lip, chin. What is forehead? First of all, I will describe the forehead. It is a part of your face. It is a part of your face above the eyebrows. Okay, it is a part of your face above the eyebrows. Okay. Okay, the next is hair. Hair, you know what is hair? I told in this picture about hair as you have read. Okay. Eye. The label of next picture is eye. Eye is used for seeing. We have 2 eyes. This is a sense organ. Okay, this picture describes the sense of organs, only the sense of face organs. Okay, eye is used for seeing. We have 2 eyes. This is a sense organ. The side of eye is seeing. Seeing, you can see the picture. You can see the movies, cartoons and books, etc. Okay. The next level is nose. Nose. Nose is used for smelling. It is used for take a breath. Take a breath by nose. Okay. Take a breath by nose. Just like me. Good. Nose is also used for breathing. We inhale and exhale the air through nose. Okay. The next labeling is ear. Ear is a sense organ. It's used for hearing. For example, you can listen the music. You can hear the voice of other person. The next level is lip. L-I-P, lip. Lips are either of the 2 fleshy parts which form the upper and lower edges of the opening of the mouth. Okay? Lower edges of the opening of the mouth. Understand? The next label is cheek. Cheek. Okay, cheek. It is a soft part of your face that is below your eye and between your mouth and ear. Okay, between your mouth and your ear. Mouth and your ear. This is the part. Okay. Okay. Lower part of chin. Good. Lower part of chin. The lower part of your face below the mouth, it is a lower portion of the face. Lower part of the face below the lower lip. Okay. Hope you would have understood the parts of the body and parts of the face. Okay. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.